Did you know that 99.9% of people don't even fold their sheets? I literally can't live like this anymore. Every single sheet that I have is just bunched up into a laundry basket. And I definitely can't live like this because we actually get more mice here at our new house than we did at the other house. So if everything is piled up everywhere, like toys, sheets, clothes, like I have to put it away. Like, I mean, that's not really a bad thing, but I should be more organized. And so I found these on Amazon and they are actually really, really sturdy and really good quality. But I wanted to find something that wasn't just cheap looking and something that I can just throw into my closet, something that I didn't have to like actually fold the sheets. So a box for my sheets are exactly what I need. I can just stuff it in here. See, no folding required at all. And this is gonna make it super easy. Whenever I wash my sheets, I can just pull them out of the dryer and then put them right in these boxes. I can't believe I didn't know that these existed sooner, but I'm telling you that this is going to be a life changer. And you're probably going to say like, Lauren, there's going to be a bunch of wrinkles in your sheets. Well, you know what? I don't really care because no one else is seeing my sheets besides me, and I don't really need to iron my sheets. So everything is going to have a spot. I am going through the whole entire house to see what else I can organize. I think up next is my office. We're actually going to be moving the laundry room to my office, and it's going to make it so much easier to just put stuff away. Anyways, these are really good quality. I approve, and I just wanted to show you guys just in case your life is unorganized too with your sheets. But these actually come with these cards, which you can cut out cards yourself if you need more, but I just wrote queen because that's what we have. And if I wanted to add blankets in these are totally big enough. And eventually this closet is going to be so aesthetic, so stay tuned.